So, hello po mga kamega. So, we are flexing, we're unboxing this Power Belt 5.0. So, are you ready? And are you ready for me? So, I have ordered this. That's what I have said. I have ordered this from TikTok on mm_Shawie.
Guys, hopefully this helps. Hopefully. I say so hopefully. So it is properly wrapped with bubble wrap. Ouch! Guys, are you all excited for me? Charot. Ta-da! Yes, and I am hoping that this helps. Look up on the picture, guys. This serves as our inspiration. So shout out to Ma'am Delia Duval for introducing this to me. So, here it is, guys. Ta. So, I have ordered medium because the size of medium range from 32 to 39 and my waistline is 38. So, hoping. So, guys, here it is. Okay, so here it is. Guys, I'm going to research on how to use this. Yes, I'm going to research. But as of the moment, I am so impressed with the material made from this. Material made for Shawie J 501, the power belt. So thank you very much, dear seller. Thank you very much for this powerful belt. Thank you very much. I don't know how to use it. I don't know yet. Let's try, guys. Look at my stomach, my tummy, my baby fat. I don't know how to use it. Guys, so sorry if it... hello guys, hello Kamega po. So, I'm not sure on how to use this. And hope I can do it.
Shawie J belt, the best-selling fitness belt. This helps our shape, our body to our desired waistline. For me, hopefully. So this helps get rid of loose, flabby fats right at our midsection right away. My present waistline is 38.